If you have a credit score that is fair, good, or excellent, Bright Lending is probably not where you want to go for a personal loan. You should have plenty of other options. But if you have bad or poor credit, should you use them? That's what we're going to cover in this video. Bright Lending is what we call a tribal lender. That means that they are owned and operated by the Fort Belknap Indian community in Montana. They claim exemption from many state and federal lending laws as a sovereign nation. It's the same legal principle that allows some tribes to run casinos on reservations in states where gambling is illegal. For that reason, they often lend in states that other online lenders can't or won't lend in. But it also means that they are pretty expensive. Bright Lending offers loans between $300 and $1,200 for new customers. They will lend up to $3,000 to what they call VIP customers. Their loan terms are for 10 to 12 months, so they are designed for short-term borrowing. If you are approved, they will deposit the loan amount into your bank account on the very next business day. It sounds easy and convenient. But the first question people often have about Bright Lending is, what is their APR on their personal loans? The APR for their first-time borrowers is 725%. You can chop 25 percentage points off of that APR if you sign up for autopay, but 700% APR is still really high. Their VIP customers can get an APR as low as 500%. It goes without saying that 725% or even 500% is really a high APR. 725% APR is hard to intuitively understand, so let me provide examples of what that would look like for you. If you borrowed $500 at a 725% APR for 10 months, your bi-weekly payment would be $140. Over the 10 months, you would end up repaying $3,036, ultimately paying over $2,500 in interest. Because the interest rate is so high, a majority of your payments would be going towards paying interest until the last 4 payments. If your financial emergency requires you to borrow $500, the idea of spending nearly $2,500 on interest can be hard to swallow. Bright Lending does not charge a prepayment penalty, so it would be important that you pay the loan off as early as you possibly can. If you're going to use Bright Lending, it's crucial that you pay the loan off within a couple of months. Otherwise, you will be paying so much in interest that it could cause you additional financial hardship. In addition to the interest, Bright Lending will charge you a late fee if your payment is more than 5 days late. They will charge you 10% of the late amount. Additionally, they will charge you a non-sufficient funds fee of $30 if they attempt to take your payment and you don't have enough money in your account. $30 is one of the higher NSF fees in the industry. When you apply, Bright Lending will not pull your credit from a traditional credit bureau. Instead, they will pull data from alternative bureaus. Also, they will request read access to your bank statements. Because they aren't using one of the traditional Big 3 credit bureaus, applying shouldn't negatively affect your credit score. When you are looking for a little bit of money to cover a monthly shortfall, it's crucial that you shop around. Every lender has a different way of deciding whether to lend to you. One might deny you, while another would approve you. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you go to our marketplace page, you can select the loan amount and your credit score. When you apply for any one of the featured lenders, we'll check your rate with up to 40 other lenders behind the scenes. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. We will show you all of your approved offers so you can pick the best deal that's available for you. Bright Lending has a very high APR and charges fees that other lenders in their space don't. Borrowing from them for longer than just a few weeks will drain your finances. You should exercise caution when considering them for a loan. If you've ever used Bright Lending, please leave a comment below and tell us about your experience. We're trying to build a community of people who can share their experiences so we can all be better informed when making decisions about our personal finances. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us out, and we appreciate it. Thanks for watching.